What's up guys, it's Toby at SBC Performance, and today we're going to do the teardown on the 1985 FXR-S. We're going to turn it into our version of a FXR-R. We're going to be what I know, or think I know, of the first people to put the new Gen 2 motor in one of these frames as well. So today we're going to tear everything down to the frame, and then after that the big fun begins. Yeah, look at that. Should be. There you go. Discounted front fender. Fuck it. Have at her. Big deal. All right. Clearly struggle getting the front off, per usual. Next, we're gonna do the rear, take out the battery, oil tank, side covers, all that fun jazz. Get the rear tire out, and then probably just take this front end off, get that out of the way, and then work on getting out the tranny motor primary combo, and then we're almost there. Get rid of, obviously, some wiring too. We're not gonna need any of that, so keep on stripping, stripper. Yeah, dude, this thing's still got the original exhaust mounting bracket. Let's do a video. How high can you jack an FXR before it flips off the front of the whip? Sneak it. Oh, yeah. That thing's got just fresh tread ready to rock, so even looking for some FXR rims to get after it. I don't know what's going on. Something's listening away. In one piece without the lighting. Just a fucking little bit of a tight fit in there, eh? Hasn't had an oil change since 1985. OG bracket. Whoop. Now that we got the rear end off, we got the body off, we're pretty much down to the nitty gritty. We're gonna do the motor, tranny, primary, electrical, and finish getting the front end off, and then this thing should be ready for its next course of life as the FXR-R. The old pressure wiggle on the spline, bro. I drained it pretty good yesterday. Oh, that's why. There's that key, Johnsy. This is a super stringer. Stuck on. Looking pretty light compared to the other ones. I don't know if I had that backwards or the V2. All right, guys, as you can see, we are done tearing down the FXR. That was the easy part, I would think. Next, we're gonna do some mock-up with the new motor, case, trans, all that fun stuff. Custom make all our mounts, shave off a bunch of the stuff we don't need on here. And then, yeah, it's gonna be a lot to do in a short amount of time, but we're gonna get after it. And make sure you like, subscribe, follow. And any of you purists out there looking for any of these FXR parts, hit me up. They're for sale. Later.